How come I turned off though? Is that like a safety feature?
Now we can ride, motherfucker.
Alright, yo, I'm on my way to EVLifeJay's crib right now. He needs some help putting his scooter together because, well, you saw that crash. I just don't understand. I reviewed the footage over and over. I just still do not understand. So anyways, we're on our way to go see Jay and essentially just help him put it back together.
3 days later.
Day 3. It's like pretty crappy outside. Let me break down everything that happened because it was a chaotic mess. The first problem after Jay crashed was he had the wrong wires hooked up.
Every night at like 10 o'clock. He either looking, playing, doing something.
He had his light button hooked up to where his menu should have been to his main wire harness. And so that's why it didn't start.
Now spin that bitch. Oh yeah. Alright?
Got you, bro?
Awesome.
The second problem that Jay had after we fixed this, Jay's caliper wasn't working, Jay's brake wasn't working, so we thought Jay broke his lever. So we're like, alright, cool, must have broke during the crash. And it just happened after, you know, we fixed everything. Bought a new lever. Put the new lever on. Realized that this lever that we put on wasn't working, that all the oil was spilling out. It was an absolute mess. And then I realized it's not the lever, it's the line. And I saw that when Jay put the cover back on, all the lines went all the way into his controller and then just one line came out. So if you look on mine, one wire goes in but one branches and splits off. So Jay took his brake line and put it in his controller box and pinched the fuck out of it.
Oh, well, let's get it put back together. Wrap some wires up, stick some somewhere, and that's it.
He was getting no pressure. Found that was the problem. Unpinched that shit, pulled it out. You saw us clear the brake line. So it's good. It's pushing. Stop. It's pushing. It's pushing, Jay. Brake line works. So because because Jay had everything all taken off and in pieces, he painted his rims, and actually they don't look bad, man. They look pretty mean, like all black with the white rims. All we need to do is throw this whole thing back on the front fork, and then Jay will be good to roll. Let's get one.
Can I just do something
Whoa!
real quick?
There we go.
Oh, I was just gonna pull
Real
it.
quick.
I was gonna pull it back and adjust it so I can hop in front and help you out here. But it looks like you don't even need my help.
Nope.
Show off. I'm tired of myself. Jason can.
That's always been the goal. Brand new tires.
Brand new rims.
A brake line for the back brake that'll actually work. The front brake, that unnamed idiot messed them up, and now they're jam jelly.
Yeah. The front piece screwed up. I'm not gonna use it.
It's a dead one,
I'll
but
take the fucking thing off and throw it away. I'll take the front caliper off, throw it away. I don't give a.
You're crazy.
I just need a back brake. That's all I need. Get mine down and let's go.
Hey,
See what's up.
Bet.
The brakes work so good. So good. Yo, the door, oh my god. I missed the trouble here.
This is now all fixed up. Jay Scooter's back up online. So then y'all be easy, stay easy, and peace. Bro,
I don't know, man.
read the manual. No, your fucking thing. Read the manual.
They're fucking with me calling me Sesame Street shoes, but they're pretty badass, huh? The newest addition to my Air Max collection.